Good afternoon, second grade readers. Every day, we're going to have something called Reading Workshop. This is where we will learn new skills to become better readers. You'll also get time to practice those skills when you read independently. You can also practice those skills when you're reading independently outside of doing your digital daily work. This year, we're going to explore many books that let us go on adventures, learn new things, and so much more. As you can see here, I have a digital library for us. This digital library can be found on your daily presentation that you will look at to be able to get your classwork. You are more than welcome to come here and to check out some of these books. We also have a link to go to the website to look at even more books than the ones that we have listed here. So today, I want to teach you that just like characters share who they are, we share who we are as readers. So today, what you're going to do is you are going to start working on an All About Me book. I'm going to show you how to do a few things here, and then you're going to get a chance to do it on your own as well. But don't worry, I'll give you till Friday to keep working on this. So when you come to your presentation, you're going to pull up to the first slide where it says All About, and then it's going to ask you to type your name there. So I'm going to go ahead and just highlight and put Miss Button. And you'll do the same thing, but you'll put your name, not Miss Button's name, because you're not Miss Button. And then you'll go to the next slide, and it'll ask you what your favorite food is. So then I want you to tell me what your favorite food is. My favorite food is Chick-fil-A. So I can go ahead and put in there Chick-fil-A. And then up here at the top, it'll ask you to put like a picture, or you can draw a picture, and you can follow these instructions to the side to learn how you can draw on a Google PowerPoint. But I'm going to skip that for now because I'm not a very good drawer. On slide 3, it asks you to show a self-portrait of yourself. So there, you can either upload a picture of yourself from your laptop, or again, you can draw a picture. But again, I'm not going to draw a picture because I'm not the best artist. On the 4th slide, it asks what your favorite thing to do is. I think my favorite thing to do is to spend time with my family. And there I could insert a picture of my family. I could try and draw a picture of my family, okay? So you're going to keep going down between these different slides, and you're going to keep letting me know who you are. I am so excited to read all of these, guys. I really like this slide because it's 5 words to describe me. So here you're going to think of 5 different words that describe you. If I were to think of 5 words that describe me, I would say hardworking, determined, loving, caring, and a good friend, okay? And then at the bottom, it'll ask me what I'm good at. So then I want you to write me a sentence, and I want you to tell me what you're good at. And you're going to do this for all slides. But don't worry. As I said, you'll get 3 days to do this. It's only due on Friday. So today, just worry about getting started and thinking about all of the fun, exciting things you could tell me about yourself. Okay? So now it's your turn, readers, to go get started and to start letting me know who you are.